Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issues in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off flight mode, open setting, click on network and internet. Now here you will see airplane mode, and if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinsert SIM card. After reinsert SIM card, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated. This is how you can fix no signal issues in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.